Hello guys, today I am going to show you best video editing tools for your PC. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. Without wasting time, let's jump in. First video editing tool is Adobe Premiere Pro. It has various features such as powerful editing tools, effect and transitions, and color collection, and audio editing, and you can export options. Consider about pricing. This has monthly plan. It costs $20.99 per month, and annual plan is $239.88 per year. So you can download that one using adobe.com products premiere.html, okay? Or you can just simply search in the Google for Adobe Premiere Pro. In the second one is Final Cut Pro X. This is the part of the Wondershare applications. So when we consider about features, it has magnetic timeline and compound lip, and the option called smart collections and color grading, and it has audio editing feature also. Consider about pricing. It has one-time purchase that will cost 299.99 cents, and it also include 90-day free trial also. And if you are using it for educational purposes, you can get the educational discount that will off 25% of the full package. So you can download that one. Just simply search for Final Cut Pro X in the Google, or you can use this website link, filmora.wondershare.net, Filmora video editor, like this. This is little bit long URL. I think the most preferable one is go to Google and search for the Final Cut Pro X. In the third one is about DaVinci Resolve. So the features of this application is professional editing tool, and it has DaVinci neural engine AI tools and collaboration, intelligent media management, and advanced color grading. And the consider about pricing, it has a free version, and it has extensive features included, and the studio will be cost $295. That is a one-time fee. So you can download that using www.blackmagicdesign.com products DaVinci Resolve. Third option is next video editing tool is Camtasia. I think you heard about that one. It has features for screen recording, and it is well optimized for screen recording because I use that one also, and it can do various video editings and add the annotation and various export options with various qualities. And the consider about pricing, it has a monthly plan that will cost $9 per month, and annual plan is $100 per month. So you can download that using Camtasia. Just search for Camtasia in the Google, or go to www.techsmith.com and Camtasia. The next editor I would like to introduce is Movavi video editor. I think you don't know about that because this is not a famous one. And consider about features. It has user-friendly interface and video editing features, and you can use effect and transitions and audio editing and various export options. Consider about pricing. It has a standard plan. It is a one-time purchase that will cost $40, and pro plan is $60. That also one-time purchase. Yeah, the next video editing tool is CyberLink PowerDirector 365. I think you heard about this one. And the features of this application are advanced editing tools, ultra HD editing, effect and transitions, audio editing, and export options. Pricing is this has monthly plan that will cost around $10, and annual plan will cost around $80. And next one is Wondershare Filmora. So this has features user-friendly interface, video editing, effect and transition, audio editing, and export options. And the monthly plan is just around $5, and annual plan is $40 per year. The next video editing tool is Lightworks. I'm going to just close this one. Okay, this one has professional video editing tools like DaVinci Resolve, and you can use professional effect and transitions, color grading, audio editing, and various export options with various qualities. and but the pricing is little bit low than other application because the monthly plan is $10 per month and annual plan is $80 per month. So you can download that one using https://lwks.com. Okay, so next one is HitFilm. uh, this one also professional editing tools included and visual effects, color grading, audio editing and export options, and this has free version, and it has basic features like uh, basic video editing features, and the pro version will cost $10 per month and $100 per year. So the next one is Corel Video Studio Ultimate, and this one has advanced editing tools like DaVinci Resolve and HitFilm, and it has good effect and transitions, color grading, audio editing and export options, and the cost of the application is $10 per month and $80 per year. The last one is Adobe Premiere Elements. So this one also has user-friendly interface because this is a product of the adobe.com, and it has various video editing options, effect and transitions, audio editing and export options. Cost is per month $10, per annual $80. So in here I show it to around 11 softwares for the video editing. These are the best video editing I was found on the internet, so you can use some of the free versions of the some of applications, and some application will be cost around $10 per month, but I think those are worth for that one because it has various editing tools. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and comment your suggestion in the comment section. Thank you very much.